What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to play iMessage games on your iPhone. Now, if you've been following social media pretty recently or at all, you will see all sorts of people talking about these iMessage games, and you're probably wondering, where can I play these games? Because you've gone in the iMessage app and you can't figure it out, but you actually have to download a separate app that is meant for iMessage games, and I'm going to show you that real quickly now. So you just head over to your app store, and what you're going to do is you're going to search Game Pigeon. It's going to be all one word. It's spelled just like game and then spelled just like the bird pigeon. It's going to be this first one here. I forget what these called, but it's not necessarily an app. It's kind of like the oval shaped app. You're just going to download that, download the Game Pigeon app, and you can see right there it's captioned Games for iMessage. So once you download it there, you will go back to your iMessage and you will see that Game Pigeon is now one of the selected apps that are going to be on the text bar. You might have to do some scrolling to find out the exact app, but it should be one of the first ones there. And you could just click on Game Pigeon from iMessage there and choose whatever game they have. They have so many different games and you can play them with your friends through iMessage. So this game right here is going to be 8-ball pool. If you've ever played it, it's just like a handheld device pool game, and you go back and forth sending messages to your friends, and eventually until the 8-ball is synced in and the game is over, and then you continue playing more and more games on iMessage. That's pretty much all there is to it though. If you had any questions or were confused at all on how this works, specifically that Game Pigeon app, leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.